Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I have a simple recipe for you. I'm going to show you how I make my ground beef and rice. Okay, to my pan set over medium heat, I'm going to add 1 pound of ground beef and I'm using an 80-20 blend. I want something with a little bit of fat in there. And you don't need to put any oil in the pan. I'm just going to break up the meat a little bit before I add the other ingredients. As always, the ingredients will be listed in the description box below for you. Okay, now I'm going to add half of a medium onion that I chopped, 2 cloves of finely chopped garlic, 1 chopped roma tomato, 1 whole orange bell pepper chopped. Now I'm just going to mix everything together. This is one of those recipes where you don't really need exact measurements. It's hard to mess it up. Okay, next I'm going to add 1 spoon of this Sazon Tropical. I love this seasoning. I use it all the time. I'm going to leave it linked below if you're interested. And I'm going to add 1 spoon of this tomato bouillon with chicken flavor. I know you're thinking this is for chicken, not beef, but I'm putting it in my beef. Don't let anybody tell you you can't put chicken flavor in beef. Just do what you want. Mix everything together again and you're going to let this cook. Just leave it on medium heat and let it cook. And this will take about 35 minutes. You don't have to add any water to it. You don't have to add anything else. Just let it cook, but be sure to go in there and stir it often. By the way, the spoon I use for the seasoning is a teaspoon like you would use to mix your tea. As you can see, there's a lot of water in the pot, but I didn't put any in there. This is from the ground beef and from all the vegetables in there. I love this recipe so much because it's so simple and so easy, and you don't have to do a whole lot to it. I came up with this recipe when I was trying to use up stuff, you know. I always say this, I feel like I come up with my best recipes when I'm trying to use up something. What do you think? Do you feel that way? But I love ground beef and rice. Oh my gosh, that's one of my favorite things because it's so simple but it's so good. It's like you don't need much. Make sure to keep checking your pot and go in there and stir it. This recipe is versatile. I mean, you can do whatever you want. So if you don't like those veggies, you can put whatever you want in there, or you can put all the veggies I put and put whatever seasoning you like. There's no right or wrong way to do this. Now the meat is starting to get brown and that's what I want, so I'm just gonna keep cooking it. As you can see, there's some grease in the pan, but that's from the ground beef. That's why I said in the beginning, you don't need to put any oil in your pan. And I like when the meat is brown like this, so this cooked for a total of 35 minutes. That's just how I like it. At this point, you're going to turn off your stove and then you're going to add a half cup of water to that and stir it. You just want it to have a little bit of gravy to put over your rice. I'm just tasting it to make sure everything is good. Now you can put this over rice, you can put this over pasta, you can put this over whatever you want. You could eat it with tortilla. I mean, It's up to you, but I like it with rice. This was rice I had in my freezer, so what I do is I cook enough rice and then just portion it off and freeze it. And then when I'm ready for it, I just thaw the rice and put it in the microwave, and it tastes like fresh rice. So if you've never done that before, that's something you can do. I love doing it. I like to put some pepper in there because, I like it hot. And this is my Belizean pepper sauce, but I wish I had a fresh pepper to cut into. Oh, that would have been so much better. I love this so much because it's so simple and so good. There's not much to it. I mean, if you want some other veggies on the side, you can do that or whatever you want, but I like it just like this. Not every day I want to eat something fancy. I really hope you give this one a try, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.